Alright, so in this video we're going to go over where you can order sales materials to be shipped over to your home. So if you want to fill out or pass out any of these sales brochures, enrollment kits, etc. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to go log in, go down here to sales and marketing. And I know it's kind of crazy, there's so much things, but we're going to go to Medicare sales materials. And we're going to be transferred to a separate site. And we're going to go to, well, depending on, of course, what you want, sales materials request. This is to find a new, to make a new order, or if you know what you want, because it's the same thing as last time, copy. I'm going to go to sales materials request. I'm going to request it for the plan year of 2023 or 2022. But 2023 is probably most likely. And of course you can figure out where to ship it to. I'm just going to have it shipped to my business address just for this example. You can put in a new one if you want. I have different states, so I will be putting it just for Hawaii. Simpler that way. And then the counties, so I'm going to just go with Honolulu. You can click, of course, multiple. Even here you can click a multiple. I'm going to click next. And then each plan will populate here that is available for that area. Of course, bestseller will be in the market with a star. Part B give backs have this block here, and commission less will have this little red dot here. Now, for those of you folks who are in Hawaii and wondering what this Humana RX basic plan statewide is, I believe this is the plan that potentially the state retirees have, simply because I don't know why they would have a plan that doesn't have commissions. Now, it could be also, though, that many of the plans are doing away with commissions for Part D. I have no idea. I haven't heard anything like that. This kind of, honestly, if you're watching, you're still watching here, it surprised me. But there are still PDP plans without or with commission. That's going to be this premier plan here. Back to ordering. So if you want to order, you can click here. Now, one of the problems that this kind of thing has is you don't really know what plan this is, like what's in the plan and what the plan benefits are, even what the premium is or anything. You just know what type the plan is, right? MAPD, MA, PPO, HMO, etc. here. That's all you can see. So I'll have another video where I go over where to find the actual PDFs that you can download and keep on your computer. But for this one, you kind of want to have a idea of what plans you want. So I'm just going to say I want some HMOs and I want some PPOs. Okay. And then now I'm interested in these plans. On the next page, I'll put how many I want. So next. And I believe you can only order 25 total, 20 total every day. So I'll only be able to order, for example, 5 of these. Let's call it 10 of these and 5 of these. All right, so it equals to 20. Go to next. Now I can also order these. And these ones, interestingly, do have a PDF, but sometimes, if I click it here, sometimes there is nothing. See, coming soon. There is nothing in here to actually give you an idea of what it is. So let's click here for full individual enrollment applications. Will this take us to the okay, this will take you to the PDF file, which gives you the full enrollment form. So in this enrollment form, it actually does not have the plan. I don't know if anyone can remember, before Humana used to have in their enrollment applications that little tear out thing where you would, write in everything, including the plan ID, and you have to put in the whole plan ID, right? So down, where is it? Trying to look for the plan ID information. There we go. So like H5216, the PBP number and the segment number, and circle it, fill in this one. So that's kind of what that is. So that's the only thing that they really have there. I usually don't order any of this stuff, simply because, well, I can't see it, and I'll go over what I see in another video. But you type in next. I am actually, you can order up to, I think, 10 of the Medicare supplement kits, but I'm not going to order any. You could add it to your order now. It wouldn't affect how much you can ship. I would just have it sent to my home, but I am not going to, primarily because I don't need these. I don't do any in-person appointments anymore. So if you were to go, you'd just press submit, and these things are submitted to Humana to be sent. If you did make a mistake, you can update the kit quantities here. Like, let's say you just wanted maybe you wanted to switch these around. You want 5 of those and 10 of those, let's say, right? Next, and then it'll take you through that whole process again. It's kind of clunky. Again, a lot of the Humana things can be kind of clunky, so I would go ahead and order it like that. Now let's see if I can change this to, you know what, I don't even want to deal with it. Alright, well, that's it. If you want to learn more about Humana, just go ahead and send me an email or leave a comment here. I can help figure out navigation around Vantage. If you want to join my agency, you can let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.